friends, my husband's friends had moved here, and I came here on a tour, and we bought 3 months later.
Nice. What about you?
My husband and I moved 9 years ago into villages. We discovered it's a nice place for retirement, and we enjoy it and do different things in villages. We enjoy this life.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
And I saw a golf cart parade on YouTube, on Facebook, and thought this place is idyllic. So I did a little research and thought, oh, this is my Mayberry. So here I am living in Mayberry. I love it.
Yeah.
What about you?
Well, my husband and I came down to visit, and we never left. We stayed. We knew this was the place we wanted to retire.
How'd you move here?
I needed something to do. COVID was killing me. We needed more social interaction. So we moved here.
Yeah? And do you think this is a much more social?
Oh God, yes. Absolutely. This is where old people go to have fun again.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Older.
We're the young ones who live here.
They start early and end early.
Did you try the Papa Pineapple's food truck?
I did.
Was it good?
I like the Hawaiian pork with the pineapple.
Have you guys ever eaten at the Papa Pineapple's food truck before?
No, this is the first time.
It's excellent. And where does he park his truck?
So normally
At Edna's?
he does come just to these villages like driveway parties. That's his main
Wow.
clientele.
It was excellent and very reasonably priced.
It is beyond wonderful. I've been here 10 years, and it literally keeps getting better and better and better. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say the same thing. We've met so many people, and it's like tonight, we met another like 30 more people. It's so fun, and there's always something to do.
There was so much here. All the other over 55 places that we looked at, they didn't even come close to this, no.
And I think the golf carts were fun, to be able to drive everywhere on the golf carts. And the weather, we were coming from Colorado, so
Yeah.
the weather was better here in retirement.
Oh, been to? Oh my God.
Like more than 20?
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely.
Should I start?
My husband, I didn't want to come at first. What was I thinking? He would say, well, I'm really going to miss you. Pretty much I like all the variety in the villages and the opportunity to try things I would never have been able to try where I came from in Maryland and learning new things all the time. Oh, I love them. I think they're the best thing going. It's fun to be able to just talk to people, meet new people, relax a little bit. It's great.
It was time to kind of retire or find a new place. We lived in St. Louis all our lives, Becky too, and we stumbled across this place and just fell in love with it. Been here 6 years and have no complaints.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
How often do you guys have like these neighborhood parties?
Carol, you answer that.
This is my first one, so I've lived here just over 2 years. This is my first one, and it's great.
Have you guys ever had any at your houses or been to any other ones?
I've been to others.
I've been to plenty.
Yeah.
And they tend to be in the fall and winter because of the weather.
It's not so hot.
Right.
Yeah.
Actually, this is perfect right now. that
Now
rain.
it is. Yeah, the rain really
We
came.
got a little wet earlier.
Yeah. They'll get through.
Yeah.
What, have you guys ever eaten at the Papa Pineapple food truck before?
No, this is first time.
It's excellent. And where does he park his truck?
Is this your first Villages block party?
Oh, absolutely not.
No?
Been to several.
Several. What do you like about them?
Just about everything. The weather, the activities, the people. It's so friendly. I think they fake it.